Hey GTA! Welcome back to LSV Weekly, your lifestyle magazine for smarter living every week. Today's issue has it all: a neighborhood where schools shine, a superfood smoothie to fuel your mornings, a gourmet twist on ravioli, and a curious real estate trend you'll want to hear about. Let's turn the page and begin. This week's spotlight shines on Leaside, one of Toronto's most family-focused neighborhoods. With top-ranked schools, leafy parks, and a thriving cafe culture, it's easy to see why Leaside continues to attract families who want both community and convenience.
Leaside in Toronto stands out as one of the GTA's premier neighborhoods for education. Families here have access to excellent schools like Northleigh Elementary and Middle School, celebrated for its strong academic performance, and Leaside High School, which offers a wide range of advanced placement courses for college-bound students. Leaside combines top-tier education with a family-friendly environment, offering safe streets, thriving local businesses, and beautiful green spaces.
Want the complete top 10 GTA school zones list and how your neighborhood stacks up? Stream the full feature at lifestylevideos.com. Now, if you're after something quick, colorful, and packed with energy, meet the Blueberry Açaí Smoothie, a superfood blend that's as tasty as it is good for you.
So, I've got some hemp seeds going into the blender. I've got some water. And that's all I need to start. So, I'm going to put on the top, turn on the blender, and let it start spinning. So about 30 seconds to a minute, and I have a homemade hemp seed milk that I can use for multiple ingredients throughout the week. So you can store that in a glass jar and use that for many things. But today I'm gonna build on it and put in some other ingredients.
Find the full recipe, nutrition notes, and prep tips at lifestylevideos.com. Now, do you enjoy pasta, but not the carbs? We have a vegan red beet ravioli with cashew ricotta that is proof that vegan food equals gourmet food.
You're going to take your beet, and this could be a red beet, yellow beet, golden beet, whatever you want. You're going to take a little bit off of the top, a little bit off of the bottom, and you're going to peel the beet down. So that's what I've done, and you're going to slice the beet really thin, just like that. You're going to get your slices of beets into the bowl, and you're going to add a few things. A little bit of organic olive oil, a little fine sea salt, and a nice squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Let them sit for about 10 minutes or so. Are really going to start to soften up. I'm going to take my beet slices, I'm going to lay them down on my cutting board, and you want to pick slices that are approximately the same size, because what we're going to do is we're going to stuff these and we're going to make actual ravioli.
Get the full recipe at lifestylevideos.com and wow them tonight. Finally, in this week's Decoded, could it be true? A luxury condo developer says they've tested a self-cleaning carpet made of living moss. Is this real estate innovation or just a headline glitch?
It's time for the AI Glitch Challenge, the toughest round yet. Your final selection is Tech Time Warp. This luxury penthouse comes with a self-cleaning carpet made of living moss. Is this AI fiction or a real innovation? Lock in your final choice. The correct answer is real innovation. This concept has been explored in sustainable home design. Who guessed correctly?
Catch the full episodes of Decoded, now, streaming at lifestylevideos.com. That wraps this issue of LSV Weekly, your guide to living smarter, 1 week at a time. From your neighborhood to your table and your next move, we've got it covered. Subscribe, share, and discover more at lifestylevideos.com, because smarter living starts right here.